Hi! In front of me is Huawei MatePad paper, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. First of all, go into Recorder app. Now tap on this button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it clicking on this right one. In order to add a bookmark, click on the left one. And if you wish to end it and save it, on the middle one. As you can see, my recording is over here. If you wish to edit it, click on Edit option next to Skip Silence and make your changes. Then you can discard them by choosing X at the top left corner or save them by tapping on check mark at the top right one. In order to rename your recording, you need to hold it. Then tap on Rename option at the bottom. Type in wherever you wish to and save your name by choosing OK. In order to delete it though, you need to hold it as well. But this time click on Delete icon next to Rename and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!